So sure, that's the factoring. I heard about another one naman yung Grover.
Yeah, Grovers. Okay.
And it has to do with it's close to my heart kasi apparently it can improve how databases can be used, no, or
Tama.
searched.
Oo.
Can you talk a bit about that? Ano ba tong Grover na to and
Okay.
how can you use it?
So Grover's algorithm is the algorithm na tinatawag na finding a needle in a haystack.
Right.
So imagine, no? Imagine na meron kang meron kang telephone directory. A telephone
Mm.
directory has your name and your number, no? Tapos usually itong mga telephone directories na to, so they are sorted, di ba? So kapag hanapin mo yung number, ano yung number ni Doc Ligot? Madali lang. I'll just use the dictionary algorithm, no? Madali lang hanapin. Now ngayon, so assuming meron tayong telephone directory of 1 million people na. 1 million na. Actually, in the Philippines, we are about 100 million na. So let's say 1 million na. And in order to find the telephone directory of a person uh, in that 1 million, the telephone number, you only need a maximum in the worst case of about 20 comparisons na. Kasi naka siya naka binary search kumbaga.
Mm.
Now ngayon, pag binaligtad natin yung problem, ano pala yung kaninong number pala to? Who who owns this number? Now ngayon, the only way for you to find that the owner of the number is by going through each entry one by one. The number, sino, number, sino. If you're very lucky, the first number is the person you're looking for, no? If you're
Tama
very
lang yan.
unlucky naman, yung pinaka-last, no? So ibig sabihin, 1 million entries yung kailangan mong titingnan bago mo mahanap yung number na yun. Worst case. Average case naman, mga 500,000. Pero a quantum computer can actually do it in just the square root of 1 million.
Of the time needed. Okay.
Yes,
Wow.
square root is 1,000. 1,000 comparisons lang. So isipin mo 500,000 or 1 million compared to 1,000. Ang bilis, no? Mabilis siya.
So
So,
the way you're talking about it, parang it's a way to augment classical
yes,
computing, no?
tama. Oo. Kasi may mga problems na sa classical computing kasi in order for you to find something efficiently, kailangan mo i-sort mo muna bago mo mahanap. But there are but there are but there are problems that hindi mo masort. Kasi hindi mo alam eh. Hindi mo alam yung mga numbers na hinahanap ano mo eh. Like for example, finding the um, kung hindi mo alam mismo yung laman ng database mo, no, how would you sort that, no?
Yeah.
Or let us say itong Grover's algorithm can even be used to find minimum values, no? So yun. Pag hindi mo alam yung mga yan, no? How would you find it? How would you
That's
sort
re-
it?
that, that's a very good application for any search, parang ganyan, no? Search related
Search related, oh.
na queries, no?
Oo, mabilis talaga siya. Kaya ito yung Grover's, ang sabi nga yan, is Grover's database algorithm. So you
Oo.
can, you,